Okay, we'll do one more, well, for now, one more run through. Power level 2, 19 kilowatts. Any more than that I really can't use. Careful here, kind of muddy. It can be slippery with these leaves. Mud and trees here. Slippery here. Tree right there. Ooh, what a fun bike. Ooh. Okay, let's go this way, level 2. Again, I just want to say the Battlecross traction is amazing. MT7s for me, for now, they feel fine. No fading, and they handle the weight and power okay. Here, mud and trees. And kind of slippery here. Gotta be careful. Little burnout here. For good measure. And that's it. What a bike. What a thing. I just have to say, 500, if you can see, just coming up on 500 kilometers on her. So it's been a couple weeks. Run great. As I mentioned before, in the first videos, I only had it set on 15 kilowatts, so now I've got it 12, 19, and 28. Right now it's on level 2, which is 19. More than enough for these conditions. Spins everywhere. No, anyway, handling on the bike is great. Suspension feels great. Brakes right now, for me, more than adequate. I just have to say that she is so much in her element on the dirt here. I wish I had a motocross track, but this is the best I can do near where I live now. Totally in her element. I don't really like riding on the street. I know, yes, you can get supermotos and street tires. I got a set coming, hopefully sometime for Milk Racing, but just, it's a little dirt bike and totally in the dirt, totally in her element. Phenomenal. So really great. So far, no real problems or issues. So thank you, Sur-Ron. If you guys are still on the fence thinking about getting one, I know there's new bikes that you can buy, like E-Ride, like 79 bike with higher spec, with 72 volt and all that. I still, even in 2024, recommend getting a Sur-Ron because it's a platform. You can, you know, modify it, modify every component on it. On my bike, the only stock components are the frame, the swing arm, the subframe, and some clamps and stuff, and the wiring harness. Other than that, nothing is stock. So even now, 2024, I still recommend getting a Surron because everybody eventually ends up modding them anyway. So Surron, you have the widest choice, you know, of aftermarket items, and you can even make your own battery for it. So that's it. Thanks. And if you haven't ridden your Surrons on jumps and dirt, definitely need to do it.